To operate the Therm-App device on your Android smartphone, you'll need the Therm-App Basic application, which you can download from Google Play. Please make sure your device is compatible before you download the app. Check the Therm-App.com website for a list of compatible devices. The Therm-App application requires the Therm-App device for initial activation and will not open without it. Connect the USB on-the-go cable between the phone and the camera device, and the application will launch automatically. Once you accept the terms of use, the device will start an initialization process that will take a couple of minutes. This process will only run the first time you use Therm-App. Once completed, you'll be ready to explore the world in thermal.